here now?
They are the
Jeba, the last village. The last village in Niger State. Before you join the River Niger Bridge.
They are stopping
any trucks that carry food stuff from north. They are stopping them. They are turning them back. They don't allow them to go beyond this place. They are turning them. You can see all these trucks. They are carrying food stuff. You can see yam. You can see yam, tomatoes, onions, and many more. They are stopping them. They said they will turn back to the north or offload it here. This is Jeba, the last village, the last town in Niger State before you enter Kwara State, before you get to River Niger. So they are stopping all the trucks that carry food stuff from north. They are turning them back to north, or they should offload it here. They don't allow all the trucks that carry food stuff, even though buses that carry pepper, tomatoes were not allowed to cross. As you can see, they only allow truck with fuel, diesel. They only allow them to